Hello, hello, my Horny clan. How are you doing? I hope you are all well. Today, I'm going to thank you so much for being here and watching my super educative videos. And tonight, we are talking about the vaginal massage. What did I say? We are talking about the vaginal massage. I'm going to be educating you on how to do a vaginal what? A vaginal massage. Okay, my people? If you are watching this video and you are not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly click the button down here and subscribe to this channel. Also, turn on the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you are notified and you will be able to get educated in real time. So yeah, here are my props. I have my half orange, yeah, my half orange for the pussy. Yeah, I have my olive oil as a prop. This is my lube, what I'm going to be using as a lube. Okay, and we're gonna get started. So guys, this is what I'll be calling the vulva, iote. All of this, I'll be calling it the what? The vulva. Oh my goodness, and the pussy is already dripping. Bad, yeah? Already dripping, not yet turned on. And you know, today, it's not sex day, okay? It's purely massage day. So, I'll take we are preparing first. We get prepared, okay? Usually, my people, I personally worship my vagina. Yeah? Because it is a queen. It is the most beautiful thing that God ever created in my body. Right? So we are going to treat the vagina like the queen that she is. So we need to prepare a palace, a real palace for the queen. You know what the queen loves. The queen loves very, very beautiful things, very, very beautiful stuff, okay? Things that are covered in gold, things that are coated in gold, silver, diamonds, every expensive thing, right? So we are going to be doing a massage to a real queen, okay? So you don't just boom. No, you don't just boom on the queen. You will be dead, right? Because the queen has got soldiers, every other person protecting her. So reaching the queen is not an easy task. But I'm going to show you how we treat the queen tonight. So we have said this here is gonna be our queen. And the palace is surrounding the queen. So first of all, we need to talk to the guards to allow us get near the queen. And amongst preparation of getting to know the queen, getting to reach the queen, what we do is to bow down to the queen, right? So what we are going to be doing to bow down to the queen is we are going to sit on our feet. Kneel down upright and then sit on your feet with legs open, legs apart. Yeah? So you are able to use all your hands to bow to the queen. Yeah? To surrender. It's like giving that act of surrender to the queen, like you're everything and we adore you, we worship you, you know, like that, okay? So you lubricate your hand. Mine is already lubricated. I don't want to touch this with just lubrication like that because I need to eat this, right? So first you're going to cover the yoni, the vagina. You're going to cover it. Just cover it. And it's like you're meditating. Let the blood flow from your hands get used to the vagina, to the outer part of the vagina. Just let it lie there for like 10 seconds. So they click, they become friends, they have the same temperature. Yeah? Then you rub slowly, gently, gently, gently. Sawa? Yeah? We are rubbing the outer part of the vagina. Gently, just gently, so that they get used to each other, because the vagina hates intruders. Not even the penis is a friend of the vagina. Let me tell you that thing today. They're not friends. The vagina is a queen, yeah, and needs to be soothed before anything gets in. That is why men will always get aroused so fast, even by seeing. The vagina will not. Yeah, instead it shrinks. When a stranger is coming, it shrinks. And even kidole moja hivi will not go through. That is why we have what we call rape, because you are forced to open up. Yeah? Yeah? The vagina is one of the biggest organs and the smallest, because when it is forced, it shrinks, and even kidole kimoja, even one finger will not enter it. It refuses. Okay? So we are getting used to it and then soothing it like we are serenading it. Yeah? We serenade the vagina by just going round, round, round like this. Yeah? Just gently, and then you go anyhow, vile unataka, just however you want it. Yeah? Yeah? You don't have to go. You do things around hapo nje so that it gets used to the fact that there is a stranger that is knocking. Okay? Yeah? And then we are going to be doing this. Yeah? Yeah? You want to massage, but you're not yet there. You can use your 2 fingers to do that. At that point in time, you are trying to penetrate the lips, just the lips. Mdogo mdogo, you don't get inside. You don't get those fingers inside. Just the lips. Yeah? Now you have passed the first set of security guards, and you have passed the second set of security guards. We are on the third set of the security guards of just doing that. Okay? Remember, it's a massage. We are not looking for orgasms this particular day. Okay? So, that is what you're going to be doing. Yeah? Then, withdraw 1 finger and go like that. Go like that. Up and down. Like you want to arouse. We are not going to arouse. At this point, it will start giving its own juices, its own lubricants. Yeah? So, at that point in time, you are going to avoid the lube that you have. So, because the vagina is starting to accept that there is a stranger that is coming in, that is when you do what? You stop using the lube. Okay? Then, remember, it's not arousal. We are massaging. So once you are there and you are arousing, and it starts supplying you with water, with its own waters, now you will start massaging. Pole pole. Look at me. Look at what my hands are doing. Yeah, that is why I had to eat up this part. Yeah, so this is called the clitoris hood. Now you go up and down, up and down, up and down on the clitoris hood, and then this side too. Yeah, then you can do 2 fingers. You do like that and bring on. Yeah, in a way that it allows you to massage even deeper. Yeah, are we together? So here, when you're doing that, you introduce your second finger and eventually your third finger. Remember, we are massaging, yeah, and eventually your fourth finger. So it is massaged uniformly. Quote, everywhere. This side, you do it like 20 seconds, then this side again, 20 seconds. Are we together up to there, my people? Then come to the inside of this hood. Come to the inside of that hood and do the same with just one finger, okay? The first time we were doing this. Now it is this and this, okay? And do that for about 30 seconds, yeah? At that time, believe me the clitoris is fully aroused, but we are not looking for orgasms. Remember, women take long before they go into orgasms. So when it is swollen, when it is aroused, well aroused, that is the best time you can do what? You are supposed to enter inside and start massaging, going in and out, going in and out. Try your best to be touching the walls. You are not looking for the G-spot. Don't go in there looking for the G-spot, yeah? Introduce 2 fingers and massage the inside walls of your vagina, yeah? When you feel dry, bring it out again and collect the lube it has left out here, because at that point in time, girl, you're wet, very wet, okay? Then massage. Make sure you massage well, yeah? And this will take you a total of 30 to 45 minutes doing this massage, yeah? Hold yourself up and concentrate with the whole of you, the whole of your soul, and know that you are treating, you are giving the yoni the massage it deserves to have, right? We are not going into orgasms, not any today, and we are not looking for it, yeah? The urge is gonna be there, but hold it up so you don't do what? You don't orgasm, okay? Because it is particular, it's very particular. This one will make you have a stronger vagina. It will give you a vagina that is so sweet to eat, to chew, to everything, you know? You are making your yoni presentable, yeah? You are making your vagina presentable, and you are connecting deeply with your sexuality, all right? You are giving your sexuality life a very deep connection, and you are getting to know your vagina well. You are getting to tell your vagina that she is the queen. You are getting to tell your vagina a lot of beautiful, most wonderful things on earth, right? By giving it a massage. You don't just allow fingers and everything during the time that you want to have sex. Make sure you give your yoni a massage every 3 or 5 times every week, okay? You can always do this even before you have a bath in the morning. Just give yourself a yoni massage. Give yourself a vaginal massage. It's also called yoni in Hindi, yeah? So that's it, my people. Give yourself a very beautiful yoni massage. Can you try that today and see how it feels? Just write, my girls. See how it feels. You can also ask your partner to watch this video and give you the vaginal what? Massage. But remember, we are holding up. We are not going into orgasms tonight. It's a night of massage and nothing but total massage. Up until my next video, thank you and have a well massaged evening tonight. Thank you and bye.